What's up, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? I'm feeling pretty haggard because Naomi was up from 1 o'clock in the morning till the whole rest of the night crying because she hasn't pooped in 8 days. So dad life's heavy. I was gonna try and film it, but it was just too stressful, too crazy. So I mean, you guys are pretty much glad you missed that anyway. But hope everybody's living the dream today. I'm just headed over to Starbucks to upload the vlog from yesterday for today, and then go into the hardware store to get some some nails, finished nails to work on Ben's apartment. Gravy and my dad hired me to do the trim work and frame that and do some finishing touches over there so Ben can move in. So, just living the dream. I love working so much, I'm working on my week off. So, yeah, not sure what today's gonna hold, but it's gonna be pretty classic for the boys.
Been the average rip on some real talk, nigga, we the real West Coast. My heartbeat for the West Coast. We grow up as sweet.
Right now I'm rolling up to McDonald's for the breakfast of champs, dude. I couldn't turn it down when I saw the Golden Arches. I just had to get something.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you?
Can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit meal? Thank you very much. So stoked right now on the bacon, egg, and cheeser. And this is a no left turn. But hopefully I don't get a ticket, I'm going left. So fucked up. And then I'm going straight to Ben's apartment for the work session. Yeah, boys. Dude, bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, what's up? McDonald's might be fast food, but it's as good as any homegrown diner I know. For breakfast, not for lunch. Alright. We are arriving at Ben Gravy's apartment to start the day. I'm gonna trim this room, finish trimming this room, and then see what else I'm gonna get into, but just trimming this room seems like a pretty big project. Pretty crazy. So we trimmed a little bit yesterday. Trimmed that around this door. Trimmed that bottom thing there. So today I'm going to trim that cubby hole around this window. I don't know what's up with these windows. Then trim up there. So got a little bit of work to do. I'm going to get to it and see what I can film. But I really got to bunker down and get this done, so. We got that custom cut, and we throw it in there, and that's still gonna fuck with me, man. Crazy, but it's looking good. So this piece I'm cutting right here is 57 3/4 with a 30-degree angle on it to meet the trim. So from there I'm gonna go 57 3/4. Hopefully this piece is big enough. Perfect. Take it over here. Let's see if it's the right fit. Damn, baby. Ew. I've been blessed with Rob George's presence at my work site. This guy's a legend, world traveler.
Code enforcement.
Don't say that, because there's nothing.
I gotta call this place in. For sure.
No.
That's what you guys don't get. Works way better than fried chicken. This is scrap life.
This is scrap life.
That was fucking pro, dude. Alright, leaving Ocean City right now. Just got done working on Ben's apartment for today. Got, I'd say, 90% of the front room trimmed. Right now I'm headed over to the house to hang out with Rachel, and her brother Adam and his wife are coming over. So we're probably gonna take it down to the beach and then potentially go get something to eat. So hopefully we hit up Carluccio's, dude, my favorite pizza joint. And yeah, just chill with the fam for the rest of the day and see what we get into.
If I go out for a ride, I might not make it back alive. Another pickle in the jar, no turning back, I've gone too far. Just a useless point of view, I know it all, don't have a clue. One more drink, I'll understand, and you can bury it all beneath the sand. I'm intrigued with all the lies. Tomorrow's sun may never rise. In a world of corrupted youth, who's to say we know the truth? Who's to say we know it?
Go. Wow, that's pretty impressive. That's good. Getting the session with the pro team right now. It's on. 6 mil gloves right there. Dude, I heard there was a little wave down at the point. Dude, I'm just shaving fucking time off the job by banging a U-bird. Dude, let's just get down there and shred. I haven't served in a while. It looks like chest high frothers, like
we're
nukes.
dying.
Yeah, it sucks. Like we might never be able to get it out.
And all like 2 hours before high tide, an hour before dark.
Yeah. Shark meat. Thanks to my sponsor at Hyperflex Wetsuits, I now got a brand new pair of gloves to wear in this session. Let's see what they look like, boys. Oh my gosh. Butter, dude. Stoking. The stoke is on. Switching over to my GoPro. I'll see you boys out there. Woo! Just wrapped up a sick little session with Gravy, but as you'll see in the footage, my skills are not up to par for that server for 4 months since I've had this baby and been working on other stuff. I just got swamped out there, dude, like just thrown around like a little piece of cheese by a family of mice. You got a couple of reelers.
Surf life is a good life.
Got